So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use your old laptops as a secondary monitor for you. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open your old laptop. Like for example, this is my old laptop. Now, just simply go to the settings of your old laptops. Inside the settings, search in the search bar, search for project to this PC, or just simply click on this option of projection settings, and here you'll see this option of project to this site is project to this PC. It might ask you to install the wireless display option for you, so just simply download it, and here you need to just simply click on this option of available everywhere. Once you do it, you will notice in your new laptop you just simply need to press Windows key plus K, and you'll find something like this prompt, and here you'll find the available wireless display that you can use as a secondary monitor. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.